What shall I gift her? That's the biggest question that you face when you're deciding to gift something to your mother, girlfriend, sister, or anybody who is a girl. So it becomes really tough for you to decide sometimes that what exactly should be your gifting option. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 9 such gifting options that you may go ahead with, and you can decide that which is the perfect for your dear one. So the special thing about this video is that I have not just taken randomly the gift options. So basically, being a girl, I have been gifted so many things so many times. So I have collected all the best gifts so far that I liked, so that you know that if you are going to give such similar things to your girl, then she's also going to like this, because I, being a girl, love them. So let's just explore them one by one. So the first item is not here, it is somewhere I am wearing. So the first item is this neck piece. So this was gifted to me by my parents. So it's a gold chain. It's a very sleek chain, and this thing, the locket is an evil eye locket. You can gift this, or you may replace or select your locket choice. In case you don't want to invest this much amount, then you may go for some silver jewelry uh, also, which would be like cheaper than this one, of course. And in case you don't want to invest in silver also, then you may think about a bronze neck piece, which is coated with gold. So there is a gold plating on bronze. So once the gold plating is removed, then the color is still there, because bronze and gold have a similar color theme. So yeah, that was my first option for you guys, and I was gifted this and I love this, so I am sure that your girl is also going to love it. Now the second gift option is this one. So it's a book. Basically, I've been gifted many books by my dear friends and family, but this was the book which has been lately given to me by my friend, and I'm absolutely loving this and taking inspiration from this book. So it has 365 doses of inspiring wisdom. I use this book every day in the morning when I get up, and I take one quote from this book and I published the quote on my Instagram page. You can check out here, and people are loving it, because every day I try to make myself positive and others too with the help of this book. So gifting a book and the right book is can be a great option for you guys. So I'll just keep it here. Now the third option could be gifting a handbag. Simple. But the handbag has to be sleek, it has to be different. And if I give you my advice, if you go to some brand, then you will find lot number of handbags, I'm sure. But every other person knows about that. I'm sure that would be a known brand, and most of the girls keep a check on the bags that are coming in different brands. So what I would suggest is that gift a imported bag, or maybe local from a local shop or something like that. So let me just show you the example. So I was gifted this bag. So it's not a branded bag, but it is very classy and it is very unique, and nobody else is holding a bag like this. So that makes it apart. And second I got is this one, and they both are very nice. And so this can be your another option. Now moving on, I have this thing. So it's again a jewelry. I'll just show you. So this is a ring. I occasionally wear it. So you can gift a ring, and it's a silver ring. So basically the color doesn't get fade, and it's a cocktail kind of ring. And it did not cost me too much. It was just for 3000 rupees or so, but it is beautiful, and I am sure that your girl is going to love it. So for all the girls and guys who are planning to give something to their girls, to their ladies, I have given you so many different options, right? So let's come to another option. Okay, I was gifted this also. So again, this is a jewelry. These are all earrings. These are all women accessories. So you go to any good store and you will find such accessories. This was also gifted by my friend and I am loving it. And so this is again a very nice option. Next are the toiletries that you can gift your girl. So this is from Bath and Body Works, and it consists of a shower gel, a body cream, as well as a fragrance mist. So it comes in a combination like three of them trio, so it's a trio pack. You can go for a single one, or maybe you can also buy this one from this specific brand, or maybe you can try some other brand, but this is also a good option because girls keep on using these stuff. I'm sure that along with the gifts, you're also going to give your girl maybe a letter, a hug, some beautiful memories, because materialistic gifts are fine, but you need to impress her with your gestures, and that is what she's going to love the most. But still carrying on with video, let me show you the another gift. Next gift is a watch, which is very easy. So according to your budget, you can choose which watch you want to gift. So this was my watch. This I gifted to myself. So nobody else gifted me this, I gifted it to myself. So this is again my favorite gift. And girls, do not wait for somebody else to buy you a gift. Buy it yourself, because last year what I did, I became a Santa and I presented myself few gifts. So that's the way it should be. Next gift is it's very simple, but it is very special. Let me show you why. So we all know that we can gift a dress, something in clothes to our girls, but I have also been gifted something like that. But the speciality that is that my grandmother made it herself for me with her beautiful hands. So this can be a gift. See, that's the top that she has made, and along with this she has made a skirt for me. It's so pretty. And icing on the cake is this cap that she has also made. So clothing can be another option, but make sure that it's something with a different flavor like she did. So this was again my favorite gift. Guys, you must be thinking that I don't get any gifts from my husband. That's not the case. He used to give me few gifts. Now I think he's little occupied with his work. I'm sure he's listening this, and he should get this into his mind that I'm looking for some gifts, and Valentine's also coming. So yeah, this is something that he gifted me. So it's a neckwear along with the earrings. Let me show you. So it was, I think, 2 to 3 years back when he gifted me this, but I like this, so I added it to this video. Now I think we are done with all the gifts, and I'm sure that in the upcoming occasions, whenever you're thinking of buying a gift for your girl, then this is the right video that you're going to catch, and you are going to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and keep loving me and supporting me. Thank you so much.